Hello students, as the virtual laboratories are going online and laboratories are closed, we have to study certain experiments theoretically and on the boards, and after that you have to demonstrate that at laboratories with apparatus whenever the laboratory will open. So this is the one of the bottle of the plastic bottle of the talcum powder. So talcum powder analysis is very important. So you know that talcum powder is a deodorizing agent. We are using it as the cosmetic product in the daily day-to-day life. And talcum powder consists of talc. Talc molecules are the silicates molecules. What are the talc molecules? Talc itself is the deodorizing agent used in the cosmetic products. It is the silicate molecule. Silicate means SiO4 2 minus containing species, anionic species. So it is containing Mg3 Al twice, SiO4 thrice type of the molecules. So here what happens? So this is the triple sheet molecule. Triple sheet type silicate molecule. It is present in the talcum powder. Silicate in the triple sheet form. In this way these triple sheet forms are there, and that sheet contains of the aluminum and magnesium ions. Mg2 plus metal ion is present in the talcum powder in the talc. So talcum powder analysis is performed for the magnesium 2 plus analysis because it is in the higher excess amount in the talcum powder, and it is having certain importance in the talcum powder and it act as the moisture absorbing material and for the layer formation of the sheet structure of the talc silicate. So Mg2 plus is analyzed in the laboratory, that is for the UG syllabus of various universities. Mg2 plus metal cation is analyzed from the talc of the talcum powder, and it is analyzed with EDTA titration. By complexometric titration with EDTA ligand, Mg2 plus metal ion can form the complex, coordination complex. So what is done? The talcum powder is taken on the watch glass, certain weight is taken, about 0.5 to 0.8 gram weight of the talcum powder is taken on the watch glass on the digital balance. By tearing it on the digital balance, the weight is taken for the talcum powder. Then where the talcum powder is transferred into the beaker containing glass rod, and SCl concentrated acid is added in this talcum powder about 10 to 15 ml. That is not required, about 10 ml is sufficient, and water is added, about 20 ml water is added. Then that the total solution is heated on the burner for long time for evaporation of that SCl medium with the talcum powder. The evaporation is performed by boiling that mixture, and whenever the evaporation takes place, at the bottom the talcum powder residue with the talc dissolved in SCl is obtained, talc in the SCl. That residue is cooled in the beaker and it is diluted with the water. Distilled water is added and it is diluted to 250 ml flask, about 2 to 50 ml volume. Whatever the sample given, talc sample, it is diluted up to the mark, and this diluted solution containing here dissolved Mg2 plus in the solution, acidic solution. Magnesium ions are dissolved state in the dissolved state in the solution. About 25 ml of this solution is pipetted out with the pipette. With the pipette, this solution is pipetted out, and that 25 ml solution of Mg2 plus in the talc sample solution taken in the conical flask. Then pH of this solution is maintained at 10 with the buffer. Basic buffer is used, ammonium chloride and ammonia NH4OH, NH4Cl solution is used, and pH 10, about 5 ml solution, 5 to 7 ml solution is taken, and pH is maintained for this 25 ml solution, sample solution of magnesium 2 plus in the talc from the talcum powder, and indicator Eriochrome black tea solution is added, about 2 ml, 1 to 2 ml solution is added, indicator is added, and this solution is titrated against 0.01 molar dilute solution of EDTA filled in the burette. Already it is filled in the burette. it is titrated, the solution above whole solution is titrated against that 0.01 molar dilute EDTA solution. For the preparation of that 0.01 molar EDTA solution, disodium salt of EDTA is used, Na2EDTA salt is used. About the 3.86 gram is weighed on the balance and dissolved to 1 liter. That solution is 0.01 molar EDTA solution. That is titrated against the above solution of Mg2 plus in the talcum powder with buffer and erythritol black tea. The end point about this titration is the wine red, initial wine red to sky blue. Whenever sky blue solution is obtained, the volume of EDT is recorded. About 3 volumes are taken, 3 readings, constant burette reading is taken, that is as XML. And that XML constant burette reading is taken for calculation of amount of magnesium in given talcum powder. What is the relation? The relation is 1 mole of or 1 mole of 0.01 molar concentrated dilute solution of EDTA as a titrant corresponds to 1 mole of magnesium 2 plus in given sample solution from talc. And using that relation, 25 ml solution related to x ml amount of volume of EDTA, and that is used for calculation using this relation. Amount of Mg2 plus in ppm parts per milligram per liter can be determined, and from which that can be converted into percentage. About 2 to 3% of magnesium is observed in the sample solution for any talcum powder, commercial sample, ponds or dream flower sample of the talcum powder that contains about 2 to 3% of magnesium 2 plus. So using EDTA titration, we can perform this analysis for the magnesium in the talcum powder. So this is the virtual laboratory. You can perform that in the lab. So what type of the questions are asked on this experiment? So what is the talc in the talcum powder? What is the formula of the talc? Whether it is sheet silicate? What is the formula? Which metal ions are present in the talcum powder? Aluminium, magnesium that are asked. Silicon, metalloid is present, its oxides are present. Oxide formula of the talcum powder or talc can be asked. Oxide formula. Amount of magnesium from variety of the commercial samples can be asked. What is the percentage of magnesium in the talcum powders? That can be asked. How the talcum powder is analyzed for magnesium using EDTA titration. What type of the complexometric titration used? That can be asked. Which type of indicator to be used, that is EBT indicator. What is the pH of the solution maintained, how it is maintained using buffer solution. Such a type of the questions will be asked on the estimation of talcum powder for magnesium 2 plus.